Oh, come on, come on.
I got you.
Ah!
Oh, the
What? You can't do
Yeah,
that.
that's the crossover.
That is not in the rules.
No, that is in the rules.
Oh.
That one. That one. I got it a little bit. I got it a little bit.
My turn.
Fuck.
All right. Okay, this means war, buddy.
All right, come on.
Okay, shit's getting serious.
Bring it.
Oh
Mm-hmm.
shit, you're good at this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see where this is going. Okay,
Okay.
bit of distraction.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Boxers or briefs?
What?
Gotcha.
Boxers. Fuck.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Gotcha.
Motherfucker.
Okay. Coke or Pepsi?
Pepsi.
Gotcha.
Motherfucker.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Peanut butter. Smooth or crunchy?
Crunchy.
Oh,
Fuck. Fuck. God. You were way too good for me.
Thomas.
You know what? Actually, you can call me Tomahawk.
Oh. Oh, really? Okay, Mr. Tomahawk.
Yeah.
Look, I think you're very cute.
Oh, you do.
But.
That's great. But, you know, cute. Cute is not the word that I would use to describe you.
I have a boyfriend.
Oh.
And, if I'm not mistaken, you have
I have a wife. I do.
Yeah.
I do, but there are other options.
Really?
Yeah, we could just pretend that doesn't exist. We could just be here in the moment.
But let's not.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But hey, listen, if you want to head downstairs later, I could promise you a lot of potential kisses. The models for tomorrow's shoot, they're gonna be there.
Just not even a little kiss?
No, I don't think that's such a good idea.
Wait.
What?
You're fucking with me, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay, but
Thomas.
But you're on my bed.
And you wanted to smoke a joint.
Yeah, right. What time is that happening downstairs?
In an hour?
Cool, great, yeah. Well, that was fun. You're really good at playing games.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Well, I'll see you down there in an hour, and I'll introduce you to some people.